So, how to enable two-step authentication on your WhatsApp? So, this is my WhatsApp business, and WhatsApp business and the WhatsApp personal would be same process. Open your WhatsApp and go to setting, and from here you need to go your account. Press on account, and then you can see two-step verification, and press on it. And currently, I have a no pin, so I need to turn on it. Press on turn on, and you have to select 6-digit key. I am selecting, and confirm your pin again, and add a email address uh, for backup. I am using this email address, and press on next, and confirm your email address, and press on done, and it's turning on. It's now turned on. So this is how you can easily turn on two-step authentication or verification on your WhatsApp. So hope you enjoyed. Thumbs up and have a good day. Thank you.